Somali Prime Minister Hamza Abdi Barre has affirmed that the federal government has prepared a response plan to the anticipated El Niño, which is likely to bring heavy rainfall during the rainy season between October and December in Somalia. During his visit to the Somali National Disaster Management Agency SODMA on Saturday, Premier Barre urged the people, particularly those residing along riverbanks and low-lying areas, to remain vigilant due to the risk of severe flooding. PM Barre emphasized that the government's plan includes early warning systems and assisting people when floods occur. He also urged aid agencies operating in the country to collaborate closely with the SODMA agency to prepare. An estimated 1.1 million people in Somalia are expected to face a substantial threat due to the impacts of El Niño.
inay ka dhacaan dalkeen taasna ay laga maarmaan tahay intaysan dhicin in looga sii diibo bulshada Soomaaliyeed meel kasta joogta inay u diyaar garoobaan kana digtoonaadaan dhibaatooyinka ka iman kara dadadkaas roobka Ilaahay baa subhanahu wa ta'ala keena abaartana Ilaahay baa keena إلهي باكم هاتسن روبك ورحمة لكن هذا النبي عليه الصلاة والسلام حيري مركو روبك بط وحد هذا اللهم حوالينا ولا علينا إلهي دينا عنا جمري وهنقصه يعني كركا يكلح مركا هدو روبك زائد نقطة وحد يكرتينه جيستو خساروين فربضنين وجيستا الغيابة ونفي مال بله إننا جونا runtii maadaama aan nahay wadan ka soo baxay duruufo aad u adag iyo hay'ado burburay waxa inaga maqan dhammaan kaabayaashii
As warned by the agencies on Thursday, meanwhile, the regional state of Southwest and Hirshabelle are on high alert as the Shabelle River has already begun flooding near the Jowhar and Mahadai districts. At the same time, rains have started in the southwest state. The commissioner of the Somali Disaster Management Agency, Mohammed Muallim Abdulle, announced that the agency has begun deploying aid to the areas around Beledweyne town, which is among the areas to be affected by the floods. Somalia is facing an extreme and persistent drought affecting up to 90% of territory and 7.8 million people. In 2023, a combination of drought, conflict, and flooding displaced 912,000.